Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jonathan, and today I will be bringing you an in-depth tutorial on how to use the Easbit application. To start off, once you have successfully installed the application, you'll first see our Terms of Service agreement, which explains all terms on our application. Please review to make sure you don't violate any rules and to verify we aren't violating any of your privacy. Once you are ready to continue, check the box on the left and hit OK. The next page you'll be seeing is our startup page. If you are a returning user, all you have to do is restore your wallet, but we're going to go ahead and create an account today. When ready, click sign up and you should be redirected to a new page. It is crucial to write each and every information correct for future verification. The first thing you see is our remain anonymous box, which gives you the power to keep your profile information, such as number and email hidden from your contacts. But for this video, we'll leave it unchecked. Next, select the country you're currently in and input your phone number and make sure to write the number correctly. And please do not input a false number as it can cause problems for the server. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and input our email address. Make sure to write your primary email as we will be contacting you via email. Once you're ready, hit OK and the app will automatically generate an OTP code which will be sent to your email address. Once you have received your OTP code, input the numbers on the following page to continue. If done correctly, once you hit next, you should be able to see the profile info page where we'll be able to write our information and choose our profile picture. The first thing we'll do is choose a picture from our gallery. Once you have your picture chosen, hit OK. Next, we'll write our name for our contacts to see. Keep it original and simple, that way it'll be easier for contacts to identify you. Once you're all ready to go, hit save and create your 4-digit PIN that you will use to log in into your account. Then confirm and hit save again. If done correctly, you'll be asked to input your PIN number to log in into your brand new account. Once all is done, you'll be seeing the menu page where all of the tabs are located. Here's a brief explanation of what each one of our tabs is for. The Transactions tab is where you'll be able to view all your pending transactions. The next tab is where you send Bitcoins to other wallets using QR scan, Bitcoin address, or choosing a saved contact. You can select and edit contacts with the tab right below it. The next tab is where you have the option to back up your Easbit wallet in case any problems occur or if you simply want to restore your funds on a different mobile device. The Settings tab is where you view and edit your profile settings to your liking. Next, we have Contact Us. You can send us any messages on any concerns or to simply say hi. Right below that is where you can view all the details about Easbit. Another cool tab is the Easbit Demo tab, where you have an in-app tutorial available to use whenever you want. In this tab, you can see tips to keep your Easbit account and wallet 100% safe. And last but not least, My Wallet is where you can view all your information on your wallet and profile. Now that you know what the tabs do, we're going to go through each one step at a time to better give you an idea on how to use the Easbit app. In this tab, you can see your current pending transactions, and you can also send Bitcoins through this tab by clicking the Send button on the upper right corner. Next up is the Send tab. You can either choose a contact, QR scan, or input a Bitcoin address. For now, let's choose the default account. As you can see, it's fairly easy to send Bitcoins. All we have to do once we have chosen where we want to send to is write how much we want to send. And if you notice, the app converts the amount you choose into your country's currency for better tracking. Below that, we have what we call Miner's Fee. It's basically for any users who would like to leave us a tip. At the bottom, you'll be able to leave a comment or message for the receiving user. The next tab we're going to view is the Backup tab. To back up your wallet, first click Backup Wallet. Next, input your email address where we will send you a password to access your backup files. You can write a custom title to your backup file. Then we'll go ahead and choose the email address we want to receive our password to and choose what folder we want to save the file into. Once all is done, click Save and a Share tab should appear in case you want to share your file through a different path. If done correctly, a pop-up should appear and we'll go ahead and click OK. Now let's take a look at the Settings tab. Here you can modify any information in detail to your account, such as changing your name, email, viewing your Bitcoin address, choosing your country's national currency, passcode, phone number, and enabling or disabling the option to remain anonymous. To use the Contact tab, we first must input our primary email, then choose a message and click Send to finalize the process. Remember, you can always contact us anytime for any concerns or help. Next, we have My Wallet. Here you could view your Bitcoin address and current balance. You can also view our QR bar scan where other users can scan and make transactions at the speed of light. So as you can see, the Easbit app is a very easy to use application, and 10 times out of 10 we stand out with our unique features list. And here's why. Our app is 100% granny-proof user interface for Android smartphone. You can be certain you won't find any easier go-to app than ours. There's no central storage of your Bitcoin, so hackers and unwanted networks won't ever be able to access not even the minimum percentage of our servers and accounts. Adding on to that, all our critical data is encrypted, which makes it even harder for outsiders to invade your profile and privacy. We use secure socket layers to ensure that all data remains private and secure. Our application is developed according to the Capability Maturity Model Integration 5-level process. We don't use long, complicated Bitcoin addresses. Our backup and restore feature is one of the fastest and easiest one out so far. We provide multiple ways to receive and send Bitcoins worldwide. You can change to any national currency for better tracking and feedback anytime. And the best part is, since we believe so much in our Bitcoin revolution movement and care so much for what we do, we ensure to use 100% renewable energy our server part, because we do believe in change, and that's what we're doing, changing things one step at a time. So we hope this video has been much of a help for new and old Bitcoin users. And to keep in touch with Easbit in and out of the app, follow us by clicking one of the links provided below. You can also click on the Google Play logo for instant download of our app, which is free forever. Once again, my name is Jonathan, and on behalf of Easbit, I wish you all a wonderful and amazing day.